I know I don't need more stickers, but this is the cutest advent sticker set. Tell me I'm not the only one who reacts to stickers this way. And also, new stickers call for a new spread in my bullet journal. Hey fam, it's Icy of Icy Studio, and I am here with another sticker haul. So I bought myself the Sticky Pop Advent Calendar. I knew I had to get it because I am a huge Milk Tea Danny fan. Oh, and to be honest, I don't really know how advent calendars work. Haha! So I am just going to open all the stickers, so in case you don't want spoilers, do not proceed, I guess. So here we go. I was so nervous and excited while filming this, but I had to keep quiet because my husband was working from home. So yeah, I'll leave you guys here because my reactions to the stickers speak for themselves. And I'll see you at the end of the unboxing. I just realized that opening all the stickers in one day is probably atrocious to the tradition of advent calendars, but I didn't have that growing up, so yeah. So I will be doing a cozy memories page as an addition to my November bullet journal setup. My current theme is cozy and witchy, so I will be using brown as my main color with gold accents, and I will be decorating this page with my favorite sticker sheet from the advent calendar. Can you guess which sticker sheet it is? Anyway, I have included the same memory prompts as my October memories page, but I have reworded it to suit my magical cozy theme this month. I also used my vintage alphabet stamps to emphasize the cozy vibes. So, do you include memory or monthly recap pages in your journal? If so, what kind of prompts do you use? I'd love to use a different set of prompts next month. And of course, I also like including quotes I resonate with, and cozy season calls for cozy drinks. My beverage of choice will always be coffee, be it hot or iced. What's yours? And now my favorite part, decorating my journal spread with stickers. I am so happy to finally have one of Marigona Sully's sticker sheets because I have been a big fan of her art. I love how she combines cozy, witchy, and bookish aesthetics into one. I think that this specific sticker sheet really goes well with my November bullet journal, so here is my November memories page. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. So that concludes my Sticky Pop Advent Calendar unboxing. I know I unboxed the wrong way, but yeah. So thanks for watching, and if you've made it this far, don't forget to let me know what your favorite cozy drink is in the comments.